Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm gonna talk about grade 4 math project. Here is the title: Sydney 2000 Olympics Fraction Math Project for grade 4. Here we have in the first page or first slide the instructions. How can we make fractions but out of the medals won by the different countries in the Sydney 2000 Olympics. Of course, you have to read these instructions carefully. Show the fraction for a number of gold, silver, medals won. Yes. Combine here. Make a display showing the name of your country and the number of gold, silver, and bronze medals that won by that country. Of course, we have 3 countries. We need to choose one of them to talk about. I will show you in the slides. Of course, here we can go to the last 2 slides. You have the countries and number of medals won by them. Here in this slide, we will talk about 3 countries: Mexico, Sweden, and Indonesia. We have to write each country how many medals won by this country: gold, silver, and bronze. Here we write the total. I will show you an example. For example, Mexico, if you go to the last slide, here, Mexico, they won 1 gold, 2 silver, 3 bronze. So we have to write this here, and we write the total. Sweden, the same. Indonesia, the same. Now find the fraction of medals of the country you selected. So you have to choose one country from these 3 countries, okay, or any country you choose. So write number of gold medals, silver medals, and bronze medals for the country that you have chosen from these countries here listed. Then, after you choose your country, you write the number of medals. Now find the fraction of medals of the country you selected. So the gold, if you have here in this example 3 gold of the total, this country won, for example, 8 medals. So the gold were 3, so 3 over 8. Silver 2 over 8. For the country you selected, now here the same numbers, you have to write them here because he talk about how many was the fraction of medals gold, what fraction of medals silver. Now here, after you write the fraction of gold medals, for example, you have to write 3 equivalent fraction. For example, if you write here 5 over 10 or 5 over 12, for example, here you need to write 3 equivalent fractions for the fraction that you write here. At the end, for the same country you have chosen, you have to add, for example, here gold and silver, and here you have to add silver and bronze, and here you have to add all the medals, and they equal to what whole number? The gold, the silver, and bronze. You are working on the same country. You choose a country from the beginning, and you keep working on it. I think that's all about grade 4 math project. Thank you very much.